Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia. In this video I am going to be sharing with you guys what I have used for my hair growth, and I also use this for my children's hair, my girls' hair. I have got 3 daughters also, and basically guys, what you will need is rice, any rice of your choice. And in this video I will show you guys how I make my rice water. Basically is how I make my rice water for my hair growth and my girls' hair growth. And I will also discuss briefly the benefit of rice water. Okay guys, you will need any rice of your choice, and first of all, just put the rice in the bowl. You give the rice a little rinse using tap water, and then it's just to take out any debts. Like some rice have got sand inside based on wherever you are, and after washing the rice, after rinsing the rice, you will just need to pour in just normal tap water over the rice like so. Okay guys, next I am going to transfer my rice and also the rice water into a jar, and I'm going to let it sit overnight in the fridge. I prefer leaving my rice water to sit longer, although you can also leave your rice water for about 1 hour and then use it, but I like mine to sit for about 12 to 24 hours so as to allow fermentation to take place. As during fermentation process, I am able to get all the nutrient I need from the rice, which is beneficial for hair growth. Rice water does contain amino acid, and this in particular promotes faster hair growth and also does help repair damaged hair. In my opinion, using rice water to help repair damaged hair is beneficial, rather, or might say, compared to buying products in the shops which may have other chemicals inside, which you may not be aware of what those chemicals are. Rice water also contains vitamin B, C, and E. Okay guys, I am just transferring my rice into this jar, and I am going to store it overnight like I said, and just to allow fermentation process so I can get all the goodness. And after I have let my rice water sit overnight in the fridge, I am going to show you guys what I sometimes add to my rice water. However, you can use the rice water by itself without adding any other hair product, but however, I do add sometimes products to the rice water, just 1 or 2, and yeah. Okay guys, in order for me to use my rice water, I have to transfer it into a spray bottle, which I'm using, as you can see. And I am going to be adding my Jamaican castor oil, as you can see at the back. I find the Jamaican castor oil product super beneficial for hair growth, hair thickness, and also beneficial in repairing damaged hair. It also keeps your hair moisturized. Okay guys, I am only going to add in a little bit of my Jamaican castor oil, and I'm going to just use a tiny funnel which came with the bottle and just shake. I feel like a scientist working in the lab. My lab is my kitchen. Okay guys, just a little drop of Jamaican castor oil you will need. You won't really need that much. So, and then you close it up, and then you can see there, you just shake, and then you apply it to the hair. So I'm going to apply it now to her hair, and then after 20 minutes I'll rinse her hair off. Let's take this off, and then okay guys, in my opinion, I will say please do not apply the cold rice water straight onto your head, because that's not healthy for your scalp. I let mine to sit in a mug of warm water so as to allow the castor oil also to mix with the water. Okay guys, I'm going to tell you step by step on how to apply rice water to the hair. In my opinion, it's best to apply the rice water to wash hair. Just basically wash your hair with shampoo and rinse your hair thoroughly with water, and then you add the rice water like so. I like adding, like I make the hair proper wet with rice water, and then I leave my daughter's hair to sit for about 20 minutes, and then after that, before I rinse it out, when I say I leave the hair to sit for 20 minutes, I also cover her hair in a plastic cap while she sits for that 20 minutes, you know, just to allow the rice water to do its work, you know. And then before that, you have to also massage the head with the rice water in. As you can see, I am massaging her hair and her head so as to allow blood flow in the scalp, and also that also opens the follicles of the hair and allow hair growth. As you can see, she's got lovely full head of hair, just like mine basically. And I'm going to just cover the hair in plastic cap and leave to sit for 20 minutes. And yeah, okay guys, after 20 minutes I then rinse her hair thoroughly with warm tap water. I don't add any product, I just rinse it out and I allow the hair to dry naturally. I hardly use a heat on her hair or my hair, you know. I normally leave our hair to dry out naturally. In my opinion, I find that beneficial for hair growth and also protecting the hair from any external damage such as heat, of course. Anyway guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in another video, and I would love to hear your comments. Bye now.